Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make Koduve Odi. Koduve is a leafy green which is slightly bitter in taste, and it is also called as Kaipa chira or diabetic chira in Malayalam. To prepare this recipe, firstly take 1/4 cup of Koduve, wash and remove the roots out of them as shown in the video. Next take 1 cup of whole urdi dal and wash and soak this for minimum 2 hours before further use. Transfer the soaked urdi dal into a mixer along with 1/4 cup of water. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coarse dry red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, and salt as per taste and grind until your fine paste is ready. Transfer this into another vessel and add 1/4 cup of Koduve into it. Now mix this well. Next take a plastic sheet and pour 1 tablespoon of the prepared batter into it and spread well. Keep repeating the process as shown in the video. Now sun dry this for minimum 2 to 3 days until your Odi is dry and ready as shown in the video. This can be stored for minimum 6 months to 1 year. Now to deep fry them, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Here I have taken coconut oil. You can take any oil of your choice. Transfer the Odi into it and deep fry them until they turn golden brown. Now your delicious Koduve Odi is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.